Welcome to the Hospital AI Chatbot Preview. This intelligent assistant is designed to simplify how patients access healthcare services, making their medical journey easier, guided, and completely effortless. The conversation begins with a warm welcome message and multiple service options such as book appointment, check appointment status, emergency help, upload prescription, and contact support. These are standard healthcare features, but they can be fully customized to meet the specific needs of any hospital or clinic. Users can simply type their requirements and the AI chatbot intelligently understands and responds accordingly. When a user prompts to book an appointment, the chatbot responds with a short and guided questionnaire, collecting essential details such as the patient's name, contact number, department to visit, and preferred date and time. Once the details are submitted, the chatbot presents a clear summary of the request for confirmation. After the user confirms, the bot instantly schedules the appointment and shares a final confirmation message. This AI-powered chatbot ensures a smooth, efficient, and patient-friendly experience, helping users access healthcare services quickly and conveniently through a single intelligent conversation. Now that we've explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This section contains multiple subflows where each flow is designed to perform a specific action. From here, we can access various nodes and work closely with the AI agent. The AI agent operates based on its defined role and skills. It manages the flow efficiently and delivers relevant and accurate results. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of Hospital AI Chatbot Template Installation Process and Flow Builder Overview.